In this video, I will do a review about Shopify. I'm going to give you my honest review about Shopify. In a nutshell, Shopify, this is the best dropshipping platform that you can use to design your own stores using Shopify, guys. Okay, and also if you want to get an access with Shopify, remember to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video so that you can get started using Shopify. So as you can see that I have inside the members area of Shopify. So what you can do here with home, you can put add your own product, but this is the one of the new account that I created here using Shopify. So what you can do, you can just add your products here, guys. It is so easy to use this software, guys. Okay, so what you can do when you click here to orders, so when you click at orders, this is whereby that Shopify is gonna be giving you some of the statistics about the orders of your store, like the total orders for today, but you can do some customizations. Maybe you can also change it for the last 30 days or last 7 days. Those are the things that you can do. It's gonna be showing you how many orders you got based on the specific day that you selected here, guys. Okay, you can also check then the ordered items over time. Okay, you can also check the returns that you got based on the specific days, and also you can also check the fulfilled orders over time, and also you can also check let me just go up here. You can also check the delivered orders over time. You can also check time fulfillment. You can also choose here on the most. You can also hide some analytics bar, guys. Okay, you can also create an order here. It is very simple. You can also check here the overdraft, meaning that the invoices, all of those stuff. You can just click here to create the overdraft. You can also use an abandoned cart, so meaning that this is very important with this feature. Let's say that a customer visit on your store and also they click on the checkout but they never buy, so you can also do email marketing. I'm gonna show you what you can do here. You're gonna click here to products. It is whereby that you can able to add your own products on Shopify. You can just click here to add a product, or you can import a product. If you already have a store, you can just click here to import. So it's gonna be showing you all of those things. You can also browse from, you can also find products to sell, or if you don't have any idea, just click here to browse the product to sell. So when I click here, it's gonna be showing me all of the products that I can choose, the products that I can find here, guys. Okay, so as you can see that you can also use these some of the spying tools that comes with Shopify, such as, I know this is Pocket. This is a spying tool that you can use to find winning products, and also I know Auto Ads. So these are the spying softwares that you can use to find winning products, guys. Okay, so you can try all of those things if you don't know what to sell for your products, guys. Okay, so Shopify, it makes it so easy for dropshippers out there to succeed on this platform, guys. Okay, so what you can do here, you can also click here to collections, so that you can be able to know how many collections that you get for your products. Okay, you can also design your store, and also you can also change the inventories. You can also check the inventories of your product, and also you can also check the purchase orders that you have on your store. But okay, you can also check the transfers and stuff, all of those things. You can also check the gift cards. You can also check the gift cards here. You can also go to customers, like you know where your customers, where they live. Okay, all of those things. You can also import it. If already have your own existing customers, you can also import them here, guys. Okay, you can also add a customer. You can also do segments. Okay, so that you can filter your customers based on what they do or for your stores. Okay, as you can see that all of those things. A customer who have subscribed list once. Okay, a customer who have abandoned the checkout in the last 30 days. You can do all of those segments. Like a customers who haven't purchased yet, you can do all of those things. You can also go to contact. So you can also go to contact. You can also add some definitions here. You can also go to analytics. You can also use analytics to check how your store is performing. It is very important, guys. Okay, you can also check your stores, how is if your store is performing well or not. Those are the things that you can do here with Shopify. Like, it's gonna be showing you the total sales that you got based for today. You can also change some filters here, like yesterday, last 30 days, last 90 days, last month, or last 200 days, last year, and still last 12 months. So there's a thing that you can do here to check how your store is performing, guys. Okay, you can also scroll down here. You can also check online sessions, meaning that how many visitors that you are getting. Okay, this is very important. it's gonna be showing here for online store sessions how many visitors that you are getting for your dropshipping business, guys. Okay, so not only you can also check online store sessions, like how many visitors that you got on a specific day. You can also check online store conversion rate, like how is your store is converting based on a specific days. Those are things that you can choose, that you can check here. You can also check the total orders, the average order value, and also the top selling products. If let's say that you have multiple stores on Shopify, what I like about Shopify, guys, is that you can have multiple stores with Shopify. You can check all of those things here. You can also have a returning customer rate, like if it is below 10%, the returning customer that your store is performing very well. The product that you are selling means that they are good. Okay, you can also check the sales attribution to marketing sessions by locations, like how many which countries that you're getting visitors from your stores. You can check all of those things. You can also check by sections by device types, like if you are getting many visitors from laptop or PC or tablet on a phone. You can check all of those things here. And also you can also check by sessions by social sources. If you are getting traffic maybe on YouTube or Instagram, on TikTok, you can also check all of those things, guys. Okay, you can also go to report. You can also go to report and check how your store is performing as well, as such as by location, okay, such as by referral and overtime, cut conversion, all of those things. Okay, you can also go to live view, like right now. You can also check how many visitors that you're getting right now and stuff like that. Okay, like visitors right now is gonna be showing you visitors right now, total sales that you got, and total sessions and stuff like that. Okay, you can also go to marketing, like if you want to use email marketing for this, guys, it is very, very important that you can have email marketing for your Shopify store, so that you can also send email follow-ups, okay, from people that landed on your store but didn't purchase. You can also do email marketing, guys. Okay, here it's gonna be showing all of those things. You can also trade campaigns here. You can go to campaigns and create this what you want to do. Okay, you can also go to automations. I mean that you can also automate using email sequences and stuff like that. Okay, like this one, abundant checkout, like people that they landed on your store and they click on a checkout but never purchased. You can also do all of those things. You can also offer some discount on Shopify. You can also create some discount. I mean that a couple discount is that you keep getting more orders. Okay, you can also go to online store. This is where that you can also create your own store, or you can also use these themes that comes with the Shopify. This done for you themes that you can use from your store that comes with Shopify. You can start this loading. These are the themes, but here these are the free ones, but they are paid ones, guys. Okay, just keep it in mind. What I don't like about this is that some of the paid ones, they are very, very expensive. Like you can pay up to $300 per theme. So I don't recommend that, guys. You can purchase a theme here from Shopify, because these themes, guys, they are very, very expensive. So if let's say that you want to get a theme, just go to Fiverr or an Upwork and hire a freelancer to design a theme for you. Maybe that's gonna be costing you $50 compared to these themes that Shopify offers. I mean that's my opinion, because I'm trying to save you money, guys. Yeah. With Shopify. Okay, so what you can do here, you can also add blogs and stuff like that, guys. Okay, those are things that you can do with Shopify. So now let's go to Shopify pricing. Okay, if I go to Shopify right now, Shopify, let's check the pricing, guys. Okay, Shopify, if I go to Shopify right now and see what are the pricing that they offer. Okay, so remember, guys, if you're not getting access to Shopify, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, so that you can get started using Shopify only for 30 days, guys. Okay, as you can see that it's gonna only be costing you $1 for 30 days. Okay, so if you go here to pricing, as you can see that, I think like if you're starting out, guys, okay, the basic plan, it is good for you. Like it's gonna be costing you $25 per month. Okay, but if you want to pay on a yearly basis, it's gonna be costing you $19. Okay, mean that you're gonna be saving 25% off on a yearly basis, guys. Okay, just keep that in mind. Okay, but I recommend that you can start with this one for the basic plan if you want to get started for free using Shopify, and also try this free trial, guys. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave your comment down below in the comment sections. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Take care, and may God bless you. Sharp, guys.